I want to tell you something, Alex.
Tell me what happened, Emma.
Actually, I feel very discouraged.
Why do you feel discouraged?
My classmates laugh at me all the time.
Why do they laugh at you?
They laugh because my English is poor.
Oh, I see.
I try to speak, but I always make mistakes.
Do they laugh every time?
Yes, they laugh almost every time.
That is not kind.
I feel afraid now.
Afraid of what?
Afraid of speaking English in class.
But you must keep trying.
I try, but I fail again and again.
Do not worry about them.
How do I get better?
Start with simple present tense.
Why simple present tense?
Because it is the most important foundation.
How is it important?
We use it every single day.
Really? Every day?
Yes. We use it to describe our daily routines.
Daily routines.
Yes. The things we do regularly.
Can you give me some examples?
Yes. I give you examples now.
Okay. I am listening carefully.
I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning too.
I brush my teeth after breakfast.
I brush my teeth before breakfast.
I drink coffee every day.
I drink green tea.
See? We both use simple present tense.
Oh, I see now. You describe what you do regularly.
Yes, exactly. I describe my habits.
That is simple present tense.
It seems easy to understand.
Yes, it is quite easy.
Do you speak English with your family?
Sometimes. I speak English at home.
Why only sometimes?
My family does not speak English well.
That is perfectly okay.
Then, how do I practice speaking?
You practice with friends or teachers.
But my friends laugh at my mistakes.
You can practice with me anytime.
Really? You mean that?
Yes, you can always practice with me.
Thank you so much, Alex.
I am happy to help you.
You are very kind to me.
We practice simple sentences together now. Say it slowly.
Okay. I listen and repeat.
I go to school every weekday.
I go to school every morning.
I read books in my free time.
I read comic books on the weekend.
I like playing basketball.
I like listening to music.
You see, these sentences are very simple.
Yes, these are quite simple to make.
You try making more sentences now.
Okay. I try my best.
Say something about yourself.
I drink milk every morning.
Good start. Say more sentences.
I eat rice for dinner.
Very good sentence, Emma.
I walk to the store on Saturdays.
Nice complete sentence.
I play with my younger sister.
Excellent work.
Do you think I can improve quickly?
Yes, you can definitely improve.
Do you feel proud of my progress?
Of course. I feel very proud.
Thank you for believing in me.
Keep speaking and practicing daily.
Okay, I will practice every day.
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up early at 6:30.
What do you do after waking up?
I wash my face with cold water.
What comes next in your routine?
I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat toast with jam.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink orange juice.
Very good descriptions.
Do you wake up early too?
Yes, I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast without fail.
What do you usually eat?
I eat scrambled eggs and toast.
Really? I do not eat eggs at all.
What do you eat instead?
I eat rice and soup.
That sounds healthy and delicious.
What do you do after breakfast?
I go to my office downtown.
I go to the school library.
Do you study hard every day?
Yes, I study hard for my exams.
I work hard at my office.
I feel happy when I study new things.
I feel satisfied when I finish my work.
My teacher speaks English in every class.
Do you understand her lectures?
Sometimes I understand everything.
Sometimes you do not understand completely?
Yes. Sometimes I feel confused.
Do you ask questions in class?
No. I feel too shy,
Do not feel shy about learning.
but my classmates might laugh.
Forget about them completely.
It is not easy to forget.
I know, but you must try.
Okay, I will try harder.
You speak much better today.
Really? Do you mean it?
Yes. You improve quickly.
I feel more confident now.
Good. Keep practicing every day.
Thank you for all your help.
I am always here for you.
I feel more confident about speaking now,
I am happy to hear that.
but I still make many mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes when learning.
My classmates do not make mistakes.
They also make mistakes often.
Really? They seem perfect.
Yes. Nobody is perfect in English
Then why do they laugh at me?
because they do not understand learning.
I feel hurt when they laugh,
Do not care about their opinions.
but I care about what they think.
Care about your own progress instead.
You are right about that.
Yes, I am completely right.
How do you practice English daily?
I read books every single day.
What kinds of books do you read?
I read short stories and articles.
Do you enjoy reading stories?
Yes, I really like good stories.
I like reading poetry.
That is wonderful for learning.
I read poems in my bedroom.
Do you read aloud or silently?
I read silently to myself.
Try reading aloud every day
Why should I read aloud?
because it helps improve your speaking.
Oh, I understand now.
You should practice speaking every single day.
Okay, I will practice daily.
Do you watch English movies?
No, I do not watch them.
Why do you not watch?
I do not understand the dialogue.
Watch movies with English subtitles.
I do not like reading subtitles.
But subtitles really help you learn.
Okay, I will try watching with subtitles.
I watch English movies every week.
Do you enjoy watching them?
Yes, I enjoy them very much.
I usually watch Korean dramas,
That is fine for entertainment.
but I need to watch English content too.
Then start watching from today.
Okay, I will start right away.
Tell me more example sentences.
I clean my room every Saturday.
Good example. Say another one.
I write notes in my notebook.
Very good sentence structure.
I listen to my teacher carefully.
Nice sentence. Please continue.
I help my mother in the kitchen.
Excellent example sentence.
I play games with my brother.
Perfect sentence.
I sing songs when I am happy.
Wonderful expression.
I draw pictures in my free time.
Great job with these sentences.
Do you play sports regularly?
Yes, I play tennis on weekends.
I play volleyball with friends.
Do you play sports every day?
Yes, I play something every day.
I play sports only on Sundays
Why only on Sunday?
because I work on all other days.
Oh, I understand your schedule.
Do you play with your friends?
Yes, I play with my best friends.
Do they speak English with you?
No, they do not speak English.
Then speak English with me regularly.
Okay. Now I speak English with you.
Do you like eating ice cream?
Yes, I love eating ice cream.
I eat strawberry ice cream often.
I eat vanilla ice cream usually.
Do you drink coffee daily?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
I do not drink coffee at all
Why do you not drink it?
because I prefer drinking tea.
I drink tea sometimes too.
I drink green tea every single day.
Do you drink milk regularly?
Yes, I drink milk before bed.
I drink milk every morning too. I feel happy when I speak with you.
I feel happy talking with you too.
You listen to me patiently.
Yes, I always listen carefully.
You never laugh at my mistakes.
I never laugh at anyone learning.
You encourage me to keep trying.
Yes, I always encourage you.
You are a wonderful friend.
Thank you for saying that.
I respect you very much.
I respect you very much too. What do you do on Sundays?
I go to the shopping center.
I go to the park near my house.
I buy fresh vegetables there.
I play soccer with friends.
I cook meals with my mother.
I eat dinner with my whole family.
I watch television in the evening.
I read a book before sleeping.
I sleep early on Sunday nights.
I sleep late on Friday nights. Do you travel to new places?
Yes, I travel during holidays.
I do not travel very often.
Why do you not travel more?
I do not have enough time.
You should try to travel more.
Yes, I want to visit new places.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love the beach very much.
I prefer visiting the mountains.
I like watching the ocean waves.
I like seeing tall green trees. Do you write in a diary?
Yes, I write every night.
I do not keep a diary.
You should start writing one.
Why should I write?
Because writing improves your English skills.
Oh, I understand that now.
I write about my day every night.
What do you write about?
I write about interesting things that happen.
That sounds like a good habit.
You can try it too.
Okay, I will try writing tonight.
Do you listen to English songs?
Yes, I listen to them often.
I listen to Korean pop songs.
I listen to both kinds of music.
Do you understand all English songs?
Sometimes I understand the lyrics. Sometimes I do not understand completely.
That is perfectly normal. I like slow, peaceful songs.
I like fast, energetic songs.